Hi, today we'll be talking about the wind turbine and how it lowers the carbon footprint at Chico State. Because between the past year, Chico State has purchased a total of 30,506 megawatts per year of electricity with a total emission factor of 19.3%. Here's a quick schematic of how wind energy works. The significance of the wind turbine project is to reduce electricity generated from fossil fuels, which results in a lower total air pollution and lower carbon dioxide emissions.
The goal of this project is to lessen the carbon footprint of Chico State by adding a wind turbine to the Chico State farm. The function for the wind turbine would be to convert the kinetic energy from the wind into mechanical power, with a functional unit being kilowatts of electricity per year. Some of the key life stages include raw material allocation, installation, maintenance and replacement of motors, generators, and blades, and material recycling after turbine usage. Looking at the system boundary, we can see that it includes the manufacturing of the raw materials, operational phase, which is when the consumer uses the wind turbine, and finally recycling. We can also look at the various inputs and outputs of the system. Here we can see a screenshot of the SimaPro program to evaluate the life cycle inventory and life cycle impact assessment method that was used. This data is based on a single Gamesa G87 wind turbine. Notice that the LCI method being used is the IPCC GWP100A method. The LCI includes all materials that were used to build the turbine as well as the processes, which in our case was electricity, with the units being in kilowatts per turbine.
Here you can see the cost of the following materials that are used per each wind turbine. These numbers are based on the current cost for each material, but keep in mind that the cost for each material can change over time. As we can see, the most expensive material for this wind turbine is steel, which gives a total value of $138,039 per each turbine. Now the question is, where can we place this wind turbine? So a possible location that we can place the wind turbine can be at the university school farm, which has plenty of room for the wind turbine to be placed at, as we can see in the following image.